grow, develop, synthesize protein and other substances needed in the body. This source of energy and materials is the food we eat. Nutrition is further divided into two types, autotrophic and heterotrophic nutrition. Organisms which synthesize their own food is called autotrophic nutrition. Animals and most other organisms directly or indirectly depend on other organisms is called heterotrophic nutrition.
Respiration, the process of acquiring oxygen from the outside the body and to use it in the process of breaking down of food sources for cellular needs is called respiration. Respiration is divided into aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration takes place in the presence of oxygen and makes more energy available to the organisms. Anaerobic respiration takes place in the absence of oxygen and liberates less energy compared to aerobic. The air enters our body through nostrils. It passes through pharynx, larynx, trachea and enters into the bronchi and bronchioles of the lungs. Finally, in the lungs, the passage is divided into smaller and smaller like structure called balloon-like structures called alveoli, where exchange of gases takes place.
The movement of materials throughout an organism, in human and animals, it's the delivery of oxygen and nutrient as well as the removal of waste products, primarily by the circulatory system. Our heart has double circulation. Blood goes through the heart twice during each cycle in human beings. This is known as double circulation. Deoxygenated blood enters the heart vena cava into the right atrium. When right atrium contracts and passes the deoxygenated blood into two pulmonary arteries, which pumps the blood to the lungs where the blood becomes oxygenated. From the lungs, the pulmonary veins transport the oxygenated blood to the left atrium. When the left atrium contracts, the oxygenated blood enters the left ventricle. The aorta carries the oxygenated blood from the left ventricle to all parts of the body. The importance of double circulation is, double circulation keeps the oxygenated blood separated from deoxygenated blood. It allows more efficient supply of oxygen to the body cells.
The biological process involved in the removal of harmful metabolic waste from the body is called excretion. The excretory system of human beings includes a pair of kidney, a pair of ureters, and a urinary bladder and a urethra. Urine produced in the kidneys passes through the ureters into urinary bladder where it is stored until it is released to the urethra. The purpose of making urine is to filter the out waste from the blood. Thank you, one and all.